Okay, here we go. Y'all niggas want that motherfucking part 2, right? Okay, I might kill him with that part 2. You know what I'm saying? The fuck I'm talking about? Suck my dick. Yeah. That's how we do it every motherfucking day. Yeah. See, I told you motherfucking ass before, you can suck my motherfucking dick. I ain't said that about 5 times, but I'm gonna say it one more time just for you crap here. Suck my motherfucking dick, bitch. Check the line. Check my socks, nigga. It's looking kinda fresh. Check my shoes, nigga. It got a marquee check. You know what that stands for? That stands for Nikes. I got my white stuff on this bitch. What these? Nigga, I got these hoes on my dick, and this nigga ain't doing shit, cause this nigga is a bitch. You didn't know. You already know. Who got all the hoes? Check out all the hoes. Who got more hoes than Shaq? Ain't nobody. Ain't these niggas out here thinking they hard and shit. You ain't hard shit. You motherfucking soft like cookie dough, nigga. You ain't shit. You ain't cake. You soft like motherfucking cake. You ain't a goddamn pimp. You a hoe, nigga. Yeah. Your ass getting pimped. Your ass getting fucked. You a bitch ass nigga. Your ass in the street always sucking a dick ass nigga. You a bitch ass nigga. You a trick ass nigga. Fuck you, nigga. It goes like that. So I say, you know, fuck you, nigga. It's all like that. And it's all like rap. And it's all Shaq. Everybody call my name when I motherfucking hit the club. You niggas ain't got shit on me. I'm motherfucking thug. You motherfuckers sound why y'all asking why I'm screaming. Nigga, I scream cause I don't give a fuck. Fuck you, bitch. I don't give a fuck what you think about me. You can suck my dick sideways with your motherfucking tongue hanging out, bitch. You can suck my dick sideways. Suck my dick in the front, suck my dick in the back. You can suck my motherfucking dick all day. I don't give a fuck what I'm saying on this track. Oh, here we go. And it's over. It's over now. Oh, shit, ho. Y'all want another one? Oh, hell yeah. I get a crowd another one. Shit. I'm gonna get a crowd another one. Hold up. Wait, it's another one. Yeah. I gave these niggas another one with the disc. Nigga, y'all get a special. Yeah. I just told y'all niggas don't stop that damn camera. No. This nigga come in here and start my shit. Okay, time this his ass. Nigga, came your fat ass on. I done told you before.
This bitch ass nigga.
Fuck you, ho. I done told you before.
Hell no.
Fuck no. Nigga, get the fuck out my video. Nigga, fuck you, nigga. You a bitch ass. Take that ass away. You ain't shit on me. You ain't got shit on me. Fuck you, nigga. There he is.
I'm sorry.
Fucking hoe. Bitch ass, kick ass nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, bitch ass nigga. Back to Shakir. Fuck that nigga. He a hoe ass type nigga. Yeah. Fuck that nigga. Yeah, that nigga ain't got shit on me. That nigga ain't a pimp like me. That nigga can't walk out of the club and pull more hoes than me. That nigga ain't got a bigger nigga like me. That nigga ain't like me. That nigga ain't like me. That nigga can't fight me. Now fuck that nigga. I told y'all slow. Nah, let's get this straight now, nigga. Now y'all know that this nigga on the phone right now. And y'all know that I'm pimping in his hoes just right now. See, when I walk in the club, I don't give a fuck, cuz. I walk in there with my dick singing out like what, cuz? My voice is going out and it's looking kinda soft. And I don't give a fuck though. I'ma see rapping till my balls fall off, which ain't never gonna happen. You know I'm still happening. You know what up, cuz? How you doing, little happy? How you doing on the phone? Too bad, niggas, I'm making a video. Oh, you see I got on the phone, this that nigga right in his face. Nigga, fuck that nigga. I told y'all that nigga eat cake. That nigga hoe ass, dyke ass, slut ass nigga. He ain't gonna never have no more hoes than me. Fuck that nigga. I ain't said suck my dick so many times that my throat hurts. What the fuck is wrong with me? I don't even know. Shit. What the fuck was I rapping about? Nah, fuck that nigga one more time, just see. That nigga is a whole tight nigga's count. And I ain't just whoop my brother ass all around. Y'all niggas didn't saw it. Y'all niggas gonna cut that. But it's okay. I probably not gonna even get no views. But fuck that, K. Just as long as I can get this motherfucking shit on YouTube and this nigga in public, fuck that dude. See, I'm going off because I don't give a fuck. It's just like me. So, fuck you. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, fuck you and fuck your shoes and fuck your clothes. You a fucking hoe. Yeah. Suck a dick sideways to the cum comes out your asshole. Fuck you, nigga. I know that was on some gay shit. I don't really give a fuck because I'm talking about that nigga. That nigga ain't got shit on me. That nigga ain't like me. That nigga can't fight me. I ain't said that before. That was my first ride. That nigga's an alien. That nigga's got alien toes. That nigga's always always call my phone like, what's up, nigga? What you doing today? You happy? Nigga, my name ain't happy. My name is motherfucking angry. I'm angry like the Hulk, bitch. I'm more for hating. I don't even know what the fuck that word means, but I don't give a fuck. Cause I'm mutating up in this bitch like, what the fuck? You know, it's kinda hot up in this bitch. So I'm gonna go turn the fan on in this bitch, be right back. Oh, and I just turned a fan on, bitch, and it's blowing on me, goddamn. Oh, just like his hoe was blowing on my dick. I am going off so sick, it's fucking sick. I need a doctor over here, cause I'm throwing up. I know you think my rise is tough, so what the fuck? Either this nigga gonna respond to this video, act like a bitch, I don't give a fuck. Fuck that bitch. See, when I make these rhymes, I really don't give a fuck what to think or what to say. You know, cause this is some freestyle shit. I don't give a fuck if it offended you today. No, fuck you. Cause if it offended you, good. You know, fuck you. So anyway, that's what I was saying. Just one more time for the record. That nigga gonna go suck a dick and fuck that nigga. Bitch!